some worm food, and we're gonna sing a worm song together because we built some worm bins, we checked out worm bins in the compost pile, learned all about how important they are to the biological health of our soil. So this song was taught to me by my old mentor, Noli Taylor, so this song goes out to her. I'm gonna sing it once, and then I'll sing a line and you can repeat after me, and then we'll sing it together. So, the worm song. Oh, there are lots of worms under the ground. There are lots of worms that I've never found. Well, there must be some hanging around there, down, down under the ground. I'll sing a line, you repeat. Oh, there are lots of worms under the ground. There are lots of worms that I've never found. Oh, there must be some hanging around. They're down, down under the ground. Sounded beautiful. Can't wait to sing all together. We'll do it once with worms and then we'll change it up. And make sure you sing nice and loud. Oh, there are lots of worms under the ground. There are lots of worms that I've never found. Well, there must be some hanging around there, down, down under the ground. And we can sing it replacing the word worms with other things we might find under the ground. For example, pseudoscorpions or root maggots, which we don't want on the farm. Anthony just found some in the field. We could sing about seeds or archaeological remains, any of those things. So we'll do seeds. Oh, there are lots of seeds under the ground. There are lots of seeds that I've never found. Well, there must be some hanging around there, down, down under the ground. I can't wait to sing this together with you. Keep singing.